tired of waiting to buy that must-have item? Let's unlock the power of Afterpay in the UK, making your shopping dreams a reality today. First things first, Afterpay in the UK partners with tons of your favorite retailers, both online and sometimes in-store. Head to Afterpay's website or app to browse a full directory of participating brands. Keep an eye out for the Afterpay logo during checkout on your favorite websites. Found something you love? Simply add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment options, look for the Afterpay logo and select it. Afterpay will then break down your purchase into 4 equal, interest-free installments. You'll typically pay the first installment upfront, and the remaining 3 will be automatically charged to your linked debit or credit card every 2 weeks. Managing your payments is super easy. Just log in to the Afterpay app or website. There, you can view your purchase history, upcoming payment schedule, and even make early payments if you wish. Setting up payment reminders is also crucial, ensuring you never miss a due date. Afterpay sends you notifications to help stay on track. Late fees can apply, so it's best to keep those reminders switched on. With Afterpay, you can enjoy your purchases now and spread the cost over time, making budgeting a breeze. Happy shopping, UK!